Birthday post. Alright, so today this video will be taking apart the Galaxy J7 Plus or Galaxy C8 in some country. So this phone right here, it does have a broken OLED panel, and it's got its digitizer and the OLED separated. So we're gonna see how it works. As you could tell, I'm gonna use a Galaxy Note 3 stylus matte. This one is found at the back of the Galaxy Note 3 OLED display that I also sacrificed. But I mean, look at it, it is working as a proper tool, as you can tell right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to slide into the gap of this one. So I'm gonna slide it right in and then just slowly slice the adhesive away. So if you persevere, you should get it out in one piece. Thumbs up for my perseverance for only like 2 seconds. Just thumbs up, okay, because I really don't persevere that much. And if you're enjoying the content so far of me getting tortured by Samsung doing all this craziness because they literally glue an elephant to a ceiling and it would not even fall at all. If you want to see me getting tortured by Samsung again, please subscribe. Cause I'm always getting tortured by Samsung with their stupidity of gluing out their batteries and all this. So if your phone starts up at this point or it's still on at this point, I'm gonna show you on how to deal with it later. So right over here, I'm going to be ruthless. I'm gonna use this copper sheet found under the Galaxy Note 3 OLED display. So once that we've got everything out of the way, or thanks to my impatience, you can just take out the bracket covering the OLED and then unplug the screen. Now we can just remove the SIM tray and unscrew all the screws. And now that once this is done, the metal unibody and the chassis of the phone should fall off. So here you have it. This is the metal unibody, the loudspeaker and everything there. Then this is the main board with the battery. So if your phone is still on, disconnect the battery using a plastic cable, plastic ribbon, otherwise it will get fried or something like that. You'll have a high chance of getting it fried. By the way, the camera doesn't support OIS for just for fun. Now coming back to this thing, a few months later after getting the replacement OLED, I can unplug the cable just like how I do it. This right here is the broken piece. It kind of sounds crispy, but I don't know if that's the audio for that one. So here's the replacement screen. Get the one with the service pack. Do not get any aftermarket ones. Not because I don't trust it, it's because I question their quality. I mean, okay, let's just admit it. I don't trust them. This thing is packaged like how McDonald's will package their frozen chicken ready to be fried, right? McDonald's, KFC, yeah, whatever, they're all the same fast food. So once we have done this, we can just test out the display, but don't peel anything off yet because I believe those are warranty thing is. So the reason why I don't trust aftermarket OLED or LCD panels is because they tend to have bad touch or they tend to be refurbished OLED, which in some cases there are some burn-ins or whatever. So check out Hugh Jeffrey's video on the Galaxy Note FE or 7. I don't know which video, but just check it out anyway. He have a good explanation on the whole burn-in stuff of aftermarket displays or refurbished displays. So right over here, we are just going to tape out the mid frame of the phone, just like how Samsung tape an elephant onto their ceiling, and then we're gonna peel off this film. So I know that I have done a very severe mistake here. I would have cracked the OLED in the worst case scenario, but also second thing, I want to show you this color. Look at this color of the OLED. It is so beautiful. Like, I mean, the Note 10 is definitely the closest one, but this is more of a goldish aura glow. I don't know. So what I'm gonna do right here is to just plug this in and just charge it. But if it doesn't charge, you can just unplug the battery and re-plug in the battery, and then just put the mid frame back in and test out the display. So don't screw in anything back yet. So once you can test it out, you can just, just turn on the diagnostics. I will just type it down right over here, somewhere around the phone or something. But there you guys go. Once you have tested it out, you can just power it off. But for me, I have to test out the other features of the device. And don't worry people, I will get the OLED, the whole copper thing back into place, so it will still be back on the screen. So no worries there. It's done totally professionally. It's not like this is my first time getting a new display and fixing it on the phone. A new display that have a freaking protective film under it, so whatever. Right now, I'm just going to power off the device because you should. After how you're gonna continue the next one. So once that you have power off the device, we should screw in everything before applying the tape. I mean, you already applied it in this stage, or I don't know. So just screw in again, and then take the screen, plug it in. I know it looks kind of hard in this angle, but just plug it in, and then take the clip right here and just pop it back in. So this part is actually important because in the event of you dropping your phone, the screen cable will not pop off, and yeah, it just shows it's just there to guide your display to not, ensure that the screen just go black when that happens. So there you go. I gotta power this thing on. Just where the first issue comes in. This phone is a white phone and it should have a white startup screen. I don't get why this thing have a black startup screen, but at least I do have a screen on this phone, a proper working screen. So I'm gonna test out the phone once again. Take a look at this beauty. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this phone, so just check it out. Right here, still can tell J7 Plus C8. I named it that just to not confuse it.
I can use my grade reports.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Now since this is my birthday post, can I please get a sub from people who view this? Thank you. By golly, I sound desperate. Like freaking desperate. Subscribe to my channel.